Hey everyone, today I want to take a quick look at multiplying and dividing monomials. Again, a monomial is an algebraic expression with only one term. So first we're going to look at multiplication, and we're going to look at two different ways of solving. We're going to multiply using a model, so we're going to use our algebra tiles. And we're also going to multiply using symbols, so algebraically. So let's set up our algebra tiles here. So when we're setting them up, we are going to draw a little grid here, and we're going to show our 3x and our negative 2x. So again, our x's look like this, the long squares. And I'm just going to squiggle a line. This is going to mean positive. Kind of messy, but anyway, squiggly lines, that's going to be our positive ones. We're going to be multiplying by negative 2x. We're not going to shade those in. So, in order to solve this using algebra tiles, we're going to basically fill in this area here. So, we know that if we have an x and an x, x times x is x squared. So we can make an x squared algebra tile to go here, and that nicely fits in to our grid. So we're going to fill these in. Now, are they going to be positive or negative? Well, on the top we have a positive x, on the bottom we have a negative x. A positive and a negative equals a negative. So we're left with 6 negative x squared tiles. So this will equal negative 6x squared. Alright, so we've got another problem here. Now we're going to take a look at multiplying it algebraically. So we have 3x times 2y. So algebraically, we're going to be multiplying our coefficients together and our variables together. So we're going to have 3 times 2. And we're also going to be multiplying x times y. So 3 times 2 is 6. And x times y is xy. So that would be our answer. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to do division. So we're going to divide now using algebra tiles. So this is a little bit different. Let's set up our grid again. So now this 10x squared, now that is going to be the number inside our rectangle. So we have negative 10x squared, which means we're going to be drawing 10 negative big square tiles. Now we're going to arrange the tiles into a rectangle so that one of the sides is 2x tiles long. So we're going to do 5 over here. 2, 8, 9, 10. So there's our 10 negative x. Now we're dividing by 2x. Now these are positive. Again, we'll do these little squiggly lines to indicate it's positive. So what we're trying to find is one of the side lengths of our rectangle. So basically we just got to fill in the top. So what's going to be here? Well, we're going to have 5 different, not different, we're going to have 5 x tiles. Now, these x tiles up here are going to be negative because a negative divided by a positive is going to be a negative. So our answer here is how many tiles we have up here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer will be negative 5x. All right, so the last example we're going to go through is now dividing algebraically. So here we have 8xy divided by 4x. So what we're going to do is we're just going to divide the common factors in the numerator and the denominator. So here I see we have 4x and we have 8x. So 4x goes into 8x 2 times. So we can cross that out. And we know that it goes in twice. And if we look at the y's, there's only a y on top, but there's no y on the bottom. So we just keep the y. So our answer is going to be 2y. So that's just a quick little blurb on multiplying and dividing monomials. Next time we're going to take a look at multiplying polynomials by monomials. So it'll be a little bit trickier. So let me know if these kind of videos are helping. I know they're kind of messy and rough right now. I'm still working with this app, Explain Everything. But any feedback would be much, much appreciated. See you guys later.